Cache Giraffe language usually follows your device or app settings, so changing your phone language can change how the app appears. By the end, you'll know how to check your language settings, fix incorrect language display, and what to do if Cache Giraffe still shows the wrong language. Cache Giraffe does not always have a separate language switch inside the app. In many cases, the app uses the language selected on your phone or the region connected to your device. Start by checking your phone language settings. On Android, open Settings, go to System or General Management, then find Languages and choose your preferred language. On iPhone, open Settings, select General, then Language and Region, and update your preferred language. After changing the language, close Cache Giraffe completely and open it again. Restarting the app allows it to reload your device settings. If Cache Giraffe still shows the wrong language, check your App Store region. The Google Play Store or Apple App Store country setting can affect how apps are displayed and which versions are available. Also check whether your phone has multiple languages added. Some devices use the first language in the list as the default. Move your preferred language to the top of the list and reopen Cache Giraffe. Another common cause is using a VPN or a network connection that makes your device appear to be in another country. Turn off any VPN, reconnect to your normal internet connection, and test the app again. If you recently updated your phone, installed Cache Giraffe again, or changed your device region, the app may need time to refresh its settings. Updating the app to the latest version can also help fix display problems. If none of these steps work, contact Cache Giraffe support through the APS Help section. Include your phone model, operating system version, and a description of the language issue so support can identify the problem faster. The key fixes are checking your device language, confirming your App Store region, and restarting Cache Giraffe after making changes. Your next step is to match your phone language, App Store region, and account location settings, then reopen the app. Subscribe for more Cache Giraffe fixes, app guides, and step-by-step solutions.